Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to view not safe for work content on Reddit application. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy guide, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so let's start by opening the Reddit application. For the next step, you gotta make sure that there is an account logged in so that you can access the settings to be able to view the not safe for work content. As for the next step is we're going to the profile by tapping on the profile icon on the top right corner of our screen, and you will be presented with this prompt. And on the bottommost part you will see settings. That's the one that we're looking for. We're gonna tap it and you will be transferred to this screen. And in this set of options, we're just gonna scroll down for a little bit so that we can go to the view options category. And as you can see, there is an option pertaining to show not safe for work content, confirming that we're over 18. That is why you gotta make sure that there is an account logged in. And to enable, you're just gonna tap on the trigger right next to it. And once you've tapped on the trigger, the blur not safe for work images option will light up. And for this option, this is the option that blurs the image or the content when you're scrolling and you've encountered one of it. It won't show in an instant. You're gonna have to tap on it to view, to confirm, which makes it safe when you're in public or with your relatives. You can still freely scroll through Reddit, but if you have it turned up, it won't blur the not safe for work content, and it will be shown in an instant that you go over it. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.